You want to move people from the factory approach to something that's more like a creative workshop. This is a quote from Arnold Loth in 5 Things I Wish I'd Known Before My First PI Planning. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode. Click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any time and see what's in the third wicket. Ooh, that's a lame one. But oftentimes people forget that there is an alternate navigation that comes for free with their browser. Open up the boards in multiple tabs to navigate between them. The only downside of this approach might be if you are a I have already 1,000 tabs open person. In that case, it might not help you to be more efficient.